Hello, Pie and Clock Picking here, and today we're going to be attempting to pick this Brinks 60mm padlock. The model number is 162-60091. And the bidding of the key is actually really good. It's a very nice low, high, low, high. Alright, let's see if we can get this thing picked. Going to be using top of the keyway. Oop, hung up there. Alright, let's get started. Nothing on one. Nothing on two. Nothing on three. Oh, maybe a little click on three. A little click on two. Another little click on two. Oop. Nice click on one there. And we got that open. Oh, I'm going to close that up one more time. I just want to prove the key works. There we go. Yeah, that thing is nasty. This lock was kicking my ass. And then sometimes the spools don't really help out that much. It doesn't really fall into a nice deep false set, so that makes it tricky too when you're expecting to fall into a false set. But anyway, that is the Brinks 60mm padlock. Also, I do want to show off some new stuff I got from 3D Lock Sport. I got my new pinning tray with my channel name inscribed in it. That's super cool. And then for all my Jimmy Long picks, I picked up one of these nice little holders. He's got... That thing is super cool. And I have not opened it yet, but I also got one of his Halloween special edition educational locks. Number 52 out of 100. Anyway, that'll be today's video. Thanks for watching. Peace.